Today, I'm sharing with you 9 excellent food choices that can help to repair your kidneys. Number 1, red bell pepper. Isn't this just a beautiful food? It is, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder. It's actually excellent for your kidney health because red bell peppers are low in potassium. They're high in vitamins A, vitamin B6, vitamin C. In fact, red bell peppers have twice as much vitamin C as many citrus fruits. That's a little known fact. The other thing that's really great about red bell peppers is that they have beta carotenes. They also are loaded with lycopene, which is an antioxidant. And antioxidants are wonderful because they're anti-inflammatory. They help to get rid of free radicals. They help to prevent cancer. They're also good for vascular flow and good for your kidney health. Number 2, cranberries. Now, cranberries are a tangy and tasty treat. But beyond being delicious, they can also help with your kidneys. One way is that they help to reduce bladder infections, right? Urinary tract infections. So if you've ever had cranberries, like pure cranberries, or even cranberry juice that's 100% organic, you'll notice that there is a grit, like it's gritty. There's a resin. Well, the resin in the cranberries, that grittiness, is what helps to bind to bacteria that try to crawl up into your bladder and cause you urinary tract infections. So once they bind to the cranberry resin, the bacteria are flushed out in your urine, and you have a lower chance of having a urinary tract infection. Beyond that, cranberries are actually loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So this is wonderful for your kidney health and for the vascular flow to your kidneys. Cranberries also promote gut health and heart health. Number 3, cabbage. And here is a red cabbage. I'll tell you right now, I love red cabbage. I use it in my day-to-day life. I juice it. Sometimes I'll juice it with pineapple. I'll put it in salads. I'll saute it lightly with garlic and onions. It's a wonderful, wonderful vegetable. It's one of the cruciferous vegetables, and it's excellent for helping to repair your kidneys. It has phytochemicals. It has antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It's loaded with vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber. And we know that fiber can help to lower your bad cholesterol. Be sure to watch my video on how to unclog your arteries naturally after you finish watching this video. Cabbage is also good for your digestion. It's good for your eyes, your bones, your teeth, your immune system, and it's great for your kidneys. Number 4, garlic and onions. Yes, now your breath might not be minty fresh after having garlic and onions, but you will have better kidney health. And it's amazing because when I share this with my patients and they go and they start listing and using some of these foods, a lot of times I get such great results when we repeat their kidney tests and their blood pressures. Garlic. Now, garlic is wonderful. Number 1, it tastes delicious. Not when you overcook it. You want to just saute it. You don't want to denature some of the health benefits. But garlic has vitamin B6, vitamin A. It has antioxidant properties. It helps to reduce inflammation. It helps to reduce cholesterol. Garlic also has a substance called allicin, and allicin helps to relax the blood vessels, which allows them to dilate, and that can increase your blood flow to your kidneys. So they're certainly great for kidney health. Garlic also has some antimicrobial factors, so it can be good for your immune system. It can help to prevent infection. But garlic is not alone, honey, because onions are delicious as well, and they're also great for helping to repair your kidneys. So onions have flavonoids. They can help to reduce inflammation. They're good for heart health as well, and of course, they're healthy for your kidneys. Another thing about onions is that they contain chromium, which is a mineral that helps to metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Number 5, apples. An apple a day just might keep the doctor away, but it won't keep me away because I love apples. And this is why. They're excellent for your kidney health. Apples are loaded with antioxidants, which help to reduce cancer. They're also loaded with fiber, and so they can help to reduce cholesterol. And remember, that fiber is going to mostly be in the skin. Now, I'll tell you, I do like juicing, and I will use apples for a lot of my juices. But if you want to maximize the kidney benefits of your apple, then you do want to incorporate the peel. Keep the peel. They also have vitamins like vitamin C. They have potassium, so these things are also good for kidney health. They have no sodium. How about that? And of course, we know that having a low sodium diet or a no sodium food can really help to reduce your blood pressure. And high blood pressure is the number 2 cause of kidney failure. So, of course, that's another way that will help with your kidney health. Apples are low in calories and they're filling. And so they can help you to eat less, which can reduce your risk of living with obesity. And we know that living with obesity can put you at risk for having poor kidney health. Number 6, fatty fish. If you're going to eat meat, make sure you eat fatty fish, such as wild salmon, tuna, halibut, mackerel. These foods are filled with omega-3 fatty acids. They have antioxidants. They're excellent for heart health. They help to reduce inflammation. They help to lower bad cholesterol, like LDL, and they help to raise your good cholesterol, like your HDL. They're good for your vascular flow. They're good for unclogging your arteries naturally, and they're excellent for promoting kidney health. Number 7, citrus fruits and berries. So when we're talking about citrus fruits, of course, we're talking about lemons and limes and oranges and tangerines and grapefruits. These fruits are not only delicious, but they're great for your kidney health. They're loaded with vitamin C, which has antioxidant properties. It's also good for your immune system. And the citrus fruits have citrate, which aid in your digestion. And the citrate can help to prevent kidney stones. And then you have your delicious berries. Berries like blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. These berries are loaded with antioxidants, okay? And so they can help to reduce free radicals. They're cancer fighting. They can help to promote vascular flow. They're loaded with phytochemicals, anthocyanins. They're delicious. And honestly, they're very good for helping to repair your kidneys. Number 8, egg whites. Let me tell you something about egg whites. They're actually an excellent source of protein. They have all of the essential amino acids, and in my humble opinion, they're quite delicious. And as far as egg whites, they are a source of protein that has less phosphorus than other sources like egg yolks. So let me tell you why that's important. For my patients with very advanced kidney disease, like the patients I take care of on dialysis, it's important that they have a low phosphorus diet, because if they don't, they can get other complications like bone disease and other things of the like. Well, if they eat the egg whites, then they're able to get all the benefits of protein, which is very important, without having the excess phosphorus. Eggs also happen to be low in salt, which we know, again, helps to decrease your blood pressure. And so it's a great protein source, and it's something that can be helpful in kidney disease. Number 9, chia seeds and flax seeds. So here's some chia seeds. Chia. Chia seeds are wonderful. They're actually an excellent source of protein. They have all of the essential amino acids. Child, I'm dropping chia seeds on myself. And chia seeds are really an easy food to incorporate into your diet. You can sprinkle them on your salad. You can sprinkle them into your juices, into your smoothies. And they are loaded with fiber. And so they can help to reduce your cholesterol naturally. They're also good for gut health. They aid in digestion. Chia seeds have omega-3 fatty acids. They have antioxidants. Oh, here's a trick. If you mix chia seeds with water and let it sit for a while so you can let them swell, well, when you eat it that way, it's like this gel, a little bit gooey. But here's the thing. It'll swell up in your stomach and it'll help you to stay full for longer, decrease your appetite, which could potentially help you to maintain a healthy weight and prevent being a person who's living with obesity. Bottom line, chia seeds, they're excellent. They're great for heart health. They're great for kidney health.